Hey everyone, Midjourney V5 is out right now. So let's just dive deep into it and see what are the changes they have made, and let's see if it is comparatively better than V4 or not. Okay. So yeah, let's start directly. So if you want to access V5, you can either use dash V5, or uh, a better method would be just go to your settings and change the base version to V5. Already changed it to V5. Okay. So apparently V5 can generate more photorealistic images, and I have tested that out. So I've created a prompt for this. A ferocious looking full cinematic lighting, realistic. So here are the images it has generated. Yeah, they look pretty realistic, right? Yeah, it looks realistic. And one more change with V5 was, so every one of these images is upscaled right now. So you can directly, if you want to upscale any image, you can just directly press the button and it will upscale almost instantaneously. You can see that. So yeah, that's one change. And the other change right now is the blend feature works way better. And also the anime style feature works way better as well. So this is one of the prompt. Other prompt I've tried was anime style cyberpunk cat. And here are the images it has created. And among these, I like the second one best. So after upscaling it, here is the final result. This looks like a really interesting character, this is could be, if you are a game creator and you are creating a 2D game, this could be an interesting protagonist, you can create a background story and it looks way better, right? So this is one of the other changes they have made. And the other, one more thing is the blend feature works way better. Before, there were instances where it give vaguely disturbing photos and stuff like that. But so I wanted to try out the blend feature. So here is the image I've created right now, and this is other image I created using Stable Diffusion. I'll be teaching about how to create these realistic images with Stable Diffusion maybe in the future tutorial. So after blending these together, here the images have created. So yeah, in these, let's try to upscale the second one, or I have upscaled the third one. Yeah, so this looks way better as well. And let's see what are the other changes they have made in the announcement. So there is another feature called tile for seamless tiling. So if you don't know what exactly tiling is, it's like, it feels like if you create an image with tiling, it feels like, it is, you have divided the images into a set of parts. So let me just show you one of the images I've created. So I wanted to check out the tile features. So it's like a bunch of, this is the prompt I've used. A bunch of cute tonified aliens in galaxy, cover art, magical lighting, and tile. For accessing tile feature, you just have to press dash tile. So here are the images it has created. So let me just upscale the first one. And so you can see that, with the backgrounds, you can see you can actually expand this image. Maybe you can use Stable Diffusion's outpainting and features like that. So this could be an interesting feature for people who are going to design the 2D games, for the backgrounds and stuff like that. Maybe it could be a really interesting feature, right? The other change right now is you have something called image weights, right? So you can take this image. So this is the image I've created. So copy the image address and then have something called image weights. So let's say hashtag imagine, right? Paste the link. Say that you want to make it a bit more cyberpunk. 8K insane details. And to change the image weight, you have to press IW. I think it's IW. Let me just check it out. So it is IW. You just have to press dash IW, right? And you have weights from 0 to 2. 2 means you want to consider all of the image. At 0 means you don't want to consider it at all. So let's go with 1. somewhere in between, and see how that looks. So I'm going to pause the video till I get the output. So here are the images it has generated. I mean, they look a bit cyberpunky, but I guess, it just added a background of cyberpunk city to it. So maybe we can try it with a different image weight. Probably, let's try it again with image weight G2 and see how that looks like. So I tested it out with image weight 2. So here are the results with image weight 2, and here are the results with image weight 0. So yeah, you can figure out what works best for you. So it looks more cyberpunky, it looks like the armor is made of cyberpunk elements and stuff like that. So yeah, you can figure out what works best for you. I would say I'm kind of impressed, but I have to just dive deep into more deeper and check out what other features it has, and just try it out with a bunch of different prompts, and to see if it is actually really better from V4. But I should also mention that the V5 version is only available for the paid users. It's not available for the free trial users as of yet. So maybe it might be available in the future, but I'll keep you guys updated if there are any more changes with Midjourney. And yeah, do also follow me in LinkedIn, Instagram, and do subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. That's about it.